Alright, what's going on, everyone? I know the uploads have kind of been nothing and videos every day lately. I'm hoping to get back into making videos more regularly. Here's a tool haul video. It's gonna be a long, big video. This is just the first thing. It's kind of easy because a lot of other stuff is in these. But I went ahead and went into the rigid rolling gear system. Not nearly as many different boxes as, say, Milwaukee Pack out or DeWalt T-Stack, but more affordably priced and lifetime warranty, so you can't go wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna get some tools out here to show you, and while I do that, you guys can watch the intro. Alrighty, so I'm not gonna make this too terribly long. Some of the stuff will have its own video and we'll get to that, but I guess we'll start with what's laid out. I went ahead and bought this is just an Empire Speed Square. Long story short, I had a black Stanley and it fell out. I later found it. Turns out I like this one better. Got an 1.5 layout mark for laying out 2x framed walls. You know, really cool speed square. Maybe I'll do a video on that at some point. These two items, Milwaukee chalk line chalk box, 2 for $19.99 with the chalk. Home Depot special, 6:1 gear ratio. Makes a really good fine line. Great chalk line. Pick them up. Mine was just starting to wear out, so it's time for a new one. Stanley Fat Max Classic. Always use this tape measure, always liked it. Got 8-10 years on my last one. It was starting to get worn out. Picked these up, 2 for $19.99. Great deal. They're usually about not $18 each, so definitely worth picking up. Home Depot has those on sale right now as of the date of this video. Next thing I picked up was a Milwaukee framing hammer. My 6-ounce East Wing is still a great hammer, but doing a ton of framing, it was time to get a framing hammer. Waffle face, you can see it's been well used. Believe it or not, this is 4 weeks of use. Like that rip claw with the anti-ring, it's great. It's got a asymmetrical claw so it doesn't ring when you hit it, and that handle is absolutely perfect. Next items are from Klein. I've had these for a good long while. Just never did a video on well, I've seen these two in my last video. These are Klein, I think they call them heavy duty electrician's pliers. Got a little wet, but there's the part number. K12035. Kind of a linesman's and stripper combined. They're actually really nice. These are strippers for Romex, or non-metallic sheathed cable. And really nice tool. And this is a conduit remover for EMT or electrical metallic tubing. When you cut it, I usually cut it with my portaband. The edge is sharp and you don't want to put wires against that, so you stick this in there and then turn it, and that little edge reams the conduit. It's also got a screwdriver at the end for tightening up the fittings. So this is going to be one of the items that gets its own video. I really didn't feel like unpacking everything, but I picked up the 7-piece rigid combo kit. I also picked up some other rigid tools, including the octane belt sander and octane jigsaw. And again, this has been a purchase of, I don't know, a month ago, a couple months, maybe a month and a half. Great thing about rigid, lifetime warranty on everything as long as you register it. That means free batteries for life, free tools and service for life. It's great. I mean, here's the impact. You can see it's been well used. What else? Next thing I picked up was, again, another Rigid product. No, I'm not sponsored by Rigid. I just really like their products. It is the... Let me tip you guys down here. Up. I don't have a real good adjustment on this. There you go. 21-degree plastic collated framing nailer. So, here's a rack of 16-penny plastic collated nails. Really, really good framing nailer. Comes with a tip if you don't want to. If you're shooting like fascia or something that you don't want to mess up. This thing will drive nails in an absolute hurry. 8 nails per second if you get it going. Has a rafter hook. You can see that's super handy if you want to hang on a joist system or on your bags. Select fire, which is single shot. I mean, you gotta push the safety down, squeeze the trigger, or you can hold the trigger and just bump the safety. What I like is it's got a quick load feature. I'll try and demonstrate that. So you can see there's a rack of nails. Just put them in. Drop them in. Pull the follower back. And you're good to go. And this one is Ed the old tech guy. This one will make you happy. Makita 36-volt rear handle circular saw, 7¼ inch circular saw. This will also be getting its own video. Might do a separate video on the nail gun too. But yeah, great saw. Cuts faster than a corded skull saw Mag 77. Lots of cool features. I'm running a Diablo 24-tooth framing blade. As you can see, I've been cutting a lot of OSB with it. It's got a really nice rafter hook, actually. I'll hang over a 2x this way. 2x4. It's about 12 pounds with the batteries in it, so not very heavy at all. What I do like is this feature. It's got a quick bevel stop. So you can see I'll go to, let's say, 22.5 degrees. Stops at 22.5. Go to 45. Boom, stops at 45. 53-degree max bevel. 2 9/16 depth of cut at 0 degrees. It's just a really good saw. I framed those walls you guys looked at in the previous video. I framed both those walls in 3 days and really never had to charge a saw. That includes cutting the sheeting. So, it's a really, really nice saw. Again, I'll be getting I'll be doing a separate video on it, as well as the rigid combo kit, maybe the rigid one, and definitely the rigid cases. One more thing I picked up, and you guys have seen it if you watch my videos where I'm actually framing, is my Husky, can't remember how many pockets it is, framing belt, framing suspension rig. Love, love, love this tool belt. Fully adjustable, lots of room. As I put things away, tape measure, put it in there. Oh, that reminds me. Couple more items I picked up. One is this DeWalt chisel. It needs to be sharpened again. Not that, because my chisel only went up to 3/4, and that's a 1 inch. This is probably the greatest $10 you can ever spend. It is called the Stud Buddy. It is simply 2 magnets. As you can see, there's 1, there's 2. But if you're going down drywall, just go boom, finds a drywall screw. What I was using it for is pulling off that siding, that redwood siding. You guys could, I could actually find the nails and not forget a nail and split the siding. I could dig them out with my cat's paw. So, yep. So, yeah, rigid 7-piece combo kit, rigid nail gun, Milwaukee soak saw, new set of bags, and some other miscellaneous stuff. So, yeah, we'll get back to automotive videos eventually. Yeah, eventually. I will say my Makita charger is really nice. Again, separate video on the Makita saw. And then something else I got, and I'll be right back. Milwaukee utility knives, Milwaukee fastbacks. Home Depot saws these on promo. You got 2 for $15. You got this full size and the compact. I gave the compact to a buddy. Just push the button down, flick it open. This one's great. They made the pocket clip a lot stronger. Took out the extra length of the handle. I'm running a, I know it's kind of hard to see. There you go. Husky serrated blade in here. Oh, those blades are great. They last a really good long time. And this knife has blade storage in it, which is even nicer. Another handy little feature of this knife is it's got a scribe hook. You hook a tape measure in, scribe your drywall. So, yep. Again, not sponsored by any of these companies. But, yeah. Eventually, we're going to do a rigid toolbox mod series. Tool organizer is going to send me some stuff to clip rigid tools. And so, let's take a look. Look out for that. And, yeah. You know, speaking of tool organizer, they're linked down in the description. Also tools, bolster, they're all linked down there. Go check them out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.